College is supposed to be one of the great times in any young person's life. So why are so many students, though, struggling with their mental health?
Yeah, a lot more than you probably realize. But those young people seem to be suffering in silence as far as most people on the outside can tell. Tonight, the Buckley Report has some numbers that may surprise you and the move schools are making to help.
The grades are coming out on the mental health of our college students, and they're not good. The Healthy Minds Network reports that nearly 40% of college students have depression, and in half of them it's diagnosed as severe. More than a third have anxiety, and 13% have had suicidal ideation. According to Harmony Healthcare IT, that's led to nearly 3/4 of students finding college to be overwhelming, leading to this. More than half of students skip class because of mental health issues. 1 in 3 failed a test because of it. Nearly as many failed a class, and 1/4 of students took a leave of absence over mental health issues. Do those numbers surprise you?
The only one that truly surprises me within, I would say, some variation would be the one about students who have taken a leave due to mental health reasons. I think that would be high for our institution.
Janalyn Patterson is the Dean of Students at Elon University, which has prioritized student mental health for decades because they saw this problem manifesting. Where do you think this is coming from?
We've been seeing increases in students with stress and anxiety and depression disorders for the last 20-25 years. I think it's come to light more in the last 10 or 15 years, and especially since COVID, because more students are more open to discussing their mental health concerns.
You know, I just know some baby boomers are going to look at this and say, we were just tougher. We were raised differently. Are they right?
We were not as bombarded with these external and ambient stressors.
Maybe none more than social media, which Brookings Institute scholar Richard Reeves argues is destroying young women in particular, and Janalyn Patterson agrees.
Students feeling like they're being judged and accused and attacked by folks that have no real knowledge of their person or their character, and that is very salient. It's easy for us to say disregard that or don't pay attention to it, but it's pervasive, especially in young folks.
Patterson says the key is to start mental health work when kids are younger.
This is my commission from President Obama.
The state social services director, Cody Kinsley, agrees and has started that process.
We got $835 million in the last legislative session for us to invest in behavioral health resources. And that's taking those resources to where people are, school-based mental health. On any given day in North Carolina, 350 people are sitting in emergency departments waiting for psychiatric services. We've got to do better.
But parents also have to be honest about our role in our kids' mental health. We went through this whole everyone gets a trophy generation. My guess is if you could go back in time, you would say, folks, that's not real wise.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Maybe we overreacted to the challenges we saw our children facing and coddled them too much.
If we as a parental generation have tried to clear the path for our children so they don't have to learn to navigate that, then I would say yes, in some ways. I wouldn't use the term coddle, but I think they're less resilient because we've tried to pave a path of less resistance for them.
For some, it's now the time to pay the price for that. Bob Buckley, Fox 8 News.
Now, one of the things Elon does is make sure there are resources around the clock so students don't let problems fester until they are just out of control.